For Anil Kumar, a professional typist here in the country of India for more than 40 years, the ribbon on his typewriter may have finally run out. His machine has helped him make a living and raise his family, but times have now changed, with computers, printers and laptops now replacing these old typing machines, and now servicing his typewriter to keep it going now costs more than what he now earns.
The end of the typewriter will mean the end of my work.
Despite this fact, however, there are still a few thousand typists left in India. Most of them can be found in New Delhi's main courthouse outside. Here, where typists can earn a few dollars a day, preparing anything from rental agreements, sales contracts, and other legal documents. Sadly though, this barely pays for transportation, typewriter ribbons, and even the occasional repair job.
This typewriter, the manufacturing of such typewriters has stopped. We have to rebuild parts, which are costly, and the repair charges of the mechanics have also increased.
Sadly though, there are only a handful of typewriter repairmen and typewriter repair shops left in the country which also sell typewriters and spare parts.
I find it very difficult to repair typewriters. It takes about 2 to 3 days to repair a machine. If I don't find a spare part, I have to make it myself from scratch.
Although typewriter and typewriter jobs are slowly disappearing, some students are still using them for learning.
Even if we don't use it in the future, we should learn on typewriters. If someone wants to learn a good typewriting and want to increase their typing speed, then learning on typewriter is a must.
For many typists across the country, the future looks dim as India begins to tilt to the latest pieces of technology. But for people like Anil Kumar, they wish to keep the profession going as well as their machines, for as long as they can.